Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Masoor Pulao. Masoor is a whole lentil that you can find in a lot of Indian stores. It's very nutritious and actually very tasty. So let's get started. I have soaked the Masoor dal or lentil overnight, and so it's very easy to cook when you have soaked it overnight. I've taken 1 cup of it and added to a pot, then added 3 cups of water and a teaspoon of salt. And then we will cook this for about 10 minutes on high. It will come to a boil and it should be soft after about 10 minutes. So here you can see after 10 minutes it has softened quite a bit, and then we will drain the water out of it. I have cooked rice separately in the rice cooker or Instapot, and you can cook it on the stove if you want. I have taken 2 cups of rice. To that I have added about 3.5 cups of water. A teaspoon of salt, as well as a teaspoon of ghee. You can add oil or butter if you like. And we'll cook the rice while we make the mixture, the masala of the dal. So I've taken some oil in a pan and we've put it on heat, on low to medium heat, and I've added some whole spices like Shah Zeera or black cumin, the regular Zeera, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, star anise, as well as black cardamom. And we'll fry them a little bit in the oil for a few seconds. I've added some green chilies that I have slit lengthwise. And then added some onions sliced thinly. And we'll brown this onion for it takes about 7 to 10 minutes. And once they've reached this stage, we'll add the ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon. We'll saute for about a few seconds, 30 to 60 seconds. And once the raw smell goes off, we will add all the powdered spices like salt and red chili powder, Haldi or Tumeric powder, and Coriander or Dhania powder. Mix them well for a few seconds. And we'll add the boiled dal or the lentil. Make sure everything is well incorporated. And then we'll add yogurt. I've taken Greek yogurt here, about ½ cup. And we'll mix this well into the mixture. And after a few minutes you will see that the yogurt disappears and it coats well to the dal. We'll add some garam masala and some chopped cilantro, and we will turn the heat off at this point. Side to cool a little bit, and I have microwaved a ½ cup of milk just to warm it up a little bit, and then added some saffron strands to it. By this time the rice has cooked completely, and I will remove the 1/3 layer from the top. Then we will layer the dal mixture that we made. Make sure to spread it well. And then we will add the rice back, the top layer. Spread that as well. And we'll top it up with the saffron milk that we had made, and this gives it a nice aroma as well as a really nice taste to it. And I will just keep it on warm for 20 minutes, or you can dum it for 20 minutes on the stove. And after that, the rice is ready to serve. It's really good, very tasty pulao. Hope you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching.